Hi, I'm Charity Waldo with England Volker's Western Frontier.
And I'm Amy Schwarzenberger. We're here at our new listing, 444 Crosscut Road in Rexford, Montana. We're so excited to show this to you. Come take a tour with us. This incredible opportunity includes 30 private acres bordering National Forest Service land, located just 3 miles from Eureka, Montana. This unique property includes 2 homes offering flexibility for multi-generational living, rental income, or guest accommodations. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath log home features a cozy fireplace, a spacious wraparound deck, and that classic Montana feel.
The second residence is a 1,776 square foot single level home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an additional bonus room. The views off the back deck will take your breath away. The 2-car garage has an attached workshop, so bring your hobbies. With 2 wells, 2 septic systems, and no covenants, this property is well equipped for year-round living or recreational use. Abundant wildlife, endless forest access, and true privacy. This is Montana living at its best.